5 seconds. Start. The people of the country have witnessed the achievements of the country's development in the last 10 years. Every ministry of the government is working to make India self-reliant by bringing together with the entire population of the country. The Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways has achieved tremendous success in collaboration with various ministries in the last 10 years, and you all know that without transportation there cannot be transformation. The ministry is the largest transporter in the country. While handling EXIM cargo, coastal cargo and inland waterways cargo, this ministry handles a total of 95% of EXIM cargo by volume and 75% by value. It plays a key role in strengthening the country's economy. Our growth in cargo handling has reached 103%. At the same time, container dwell time has been reduced to 3 days, outperforming several advancement countries. Because of successful implementation of modern policies and programs, our ranking in port ranking and performance has improved from 54 to 38 today. In the international shipments category, India's position was 44 in 2014, but today we have successfully reached 22nd place. As regard achievements of the shipping sector in 2014, our seafarer appoints was limited to 1,17,000 only, but it has increased to 2,85,000. There has been a 454% increase in cruise passengers. In 2014, the inland waterway cargo handling capacity was 18 million metric ton, which has now increased to 130 million metric tons. The country has achieved remarkable success due to port modernization, mechanization, digitization, port-led connectivity enhancement, coastal community development, port-led industrialization, inland waterways, and coastal shipping. In relation to legislative reform, the government has enacted the Major Port Authorities Act and Inland Vessels Act 2019 and Recycling of Ships Act 2019, and in line with this, the Merchant Shipping Bill 2014 was brought. The government has brought legislative reforms to accelerate development, which has led to capacity enhancement. We have become more competitive globally. Our coastal shipping should be environment friendly. It will promote the green transport to achieve the blue economy as per the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. To increase the modal share of freight transport, we have to make coastal shipping more popular, and to increase the commercial activity, through coastal shipping. It will help boost our economy to create employment opportunities and income generation. Once our nation was on the pinnacle of all maritime trades, be it shipbuilding, seafaring, expertise, ocean voyages, cargo movement to far off port of the globe, or the use of scientific navigation systems, our nation had a skill and supremacy. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2024 signifies not change of direction but course connection to once again take a direction towards restoring and reviving India's ancient maritime supremacy by focusing on sector which has been ignored since long. Approximately 42% of our nation's population, or about 60 crore people, may be residing in our coastal states and union territories today. Yet, our model share of coastal shipping of about 6% is still very meager as compared to our other maritime nations. Maritime India Vision 2030 has estimated that we would be able to save rupees 90,000 crore to rupees 10,000 crore in logistic cost annually. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2024 is a very important legislation which has been introduced to consolidate the amend the law relating to regulation of coastal shipping, promote coasting trade, etc. The purview of the bill is limited to issuance of license and regulations of foreign vessels engaged in coasting trade and of India and vessels chartered by Indian entities. There is no concentration of power with DG Shipping. The DG Shipping is the statutory administrator for merchant and coastal shipping in India. No additional new power are proposed to be given to the DG Shipping under this bill. On the issue of imposition of additional condition on vessels by the DG Shipping, the reasons have to be recorded in writing which will ensure that there is no discretionary use of power. As regard marine pollution owing to coastal shipping, all obligations for mitigation of pollution are regulated by provisions of the Merchant Shipping Act 1958 incorporated on the basis of international convention, which will also be applicable on the vessels engaged in coasting trade and licensed. With regard to the issue of offence and penalties, the same have been envisaged with the goal of decriminalization of commercial laws needed for effective enforcement of its provisions. The bill has been drafted after a detailed analysis of the global best practices and dedicated laws of major maritime countries. The Coastal Shipping Bill 2024 is formally grounded in the spirit of cooperative federalism and does not encroach upon the jurisdiction of the states. The states and the union territories will be the equal partners in development and growth of the coastal shipping sector in India. The bill provides for active representation of 9 coastal states and 4 union territories in key institutional mechanisms. Full stop.